This dynamic array functions ebook covers everything from the basics to advanced functions, providing clear explanations and practical examples. You can buy through link in description. Let's see what included content in this video. 1. What is dynamic array? 2. The role of dynamic array in Excel 365. 3. Benefits of dynamic array in Excel 365. 4. Functions in dynamic array Excel. 5. Dynamic array practical uses ebook demo. Point number 1. In Excel, dynamic array functions are a set of functions that allow for automatic spilling of results into multiple cells based on a single formula entry. This means when you enter a formula using a dynamic array function in a single cell, Excel automatically populates the results into the adjacent cells, creating an array of results dynamically. Point number 2. The role of dynamic array in Excel. Dynamic arrays in Excel 365 allow for more powerful and flexible formulas. They enable a single formula to return multiple values into adjacent cells automatically, eliminating the need for copying formulas. This feature enhances data analysis and manipulation, making it easier to work with complex datasets efficiently. Point number 3. Benefits of dynamic array in Excel 365. 1. Efficiency and time saving. 2. Enhanced data analysis. 3. Improved accuracy. 4. Dynamic updates. 5. Scalability. 6. Professional development. Point number 5. Dynamic array functions included in ebooks. 1. Filter. 2. Unique. 3. Sequence. 4. Sort and sort by. 5. Xlookup. 6. VStack and HStack. More dynamic functions included in this ebook. Point number 5. Most used function in dynamic array Excel 365. As you know, Xlookup and filter function is more powerful dynamic function in the world according to experts. You can see the screen of video. Here's an example of a table of contents for an ebook on dynamic array functions in Excel 365. Our ebook covers essential Excel 365 dynamic array functions like filter, sort, Xlook, unique, runarray, VStack, and more. Learn how these functions automate complex data tasks, enhance analysis, and improve productivity by effortlessly handling multiple values across cells, streamlining your workflow efficiently. Welcome to our Excel ebook, where every table content is linked to all concepts across each page. This means you can easily jump to any topic you want to explore. Whether you are learning formulas, real-life examples, or data analysis, each click takes you directly to the relevant information. It's a convenient way to navigate through the ebook and find what you need quickly. It's all designed to make learning Excel simple and convenient for you. So, dive in and explore. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, our ebook is here to guide you every step of the way. In Excel ebook, all examples and concepts sections provide detailed explanations and practical examples of various Excel functions and features. These sections help users grasp complex concepts through step-by-step tutorials, breaking down the formula sample data and illustrative screenshots. In Excel, pressing F9 allows you to evaluate and debug formulas. When a cell or a formula is selected, this F9 key is particularly useful for breaking down complex formulas into simpler parts. It's a valuable tool for both beginners and advanced users to improve their Excel skills and solve complex problems. Linked video with an Excel ebook is great for visual learners. Each chapter in the ebook can link to a video that shows the main points and how to use Excel step by step. This approach helps learners see exactly how to apply different Excel features and functions. By watching the videos, learners can follow along and understand the material more easily. It makes learning more interactive and engaging, helping to reinforce the concepts and skills needed to use Excel effectively. This way, complex topics become clearer and more manageable. Including over 150 plus practice sheets example in an Excel ebook gives you a lot of real-life practice for solving office problems. These sheets have exercises similar to the tasks you do at work, like organizing data, creating charts, and using formulas. By working through these exercises, you can apply what you've learned in the ebook, improving your Excel skills. This hands-on practice helps you become more comfortable and confident with Excel, making you better prepared to handle everyday tasks at your job quickly and efficiently.